Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to highlight your best selling or new arrivals in a smooth, scrollable way? In this video, I will show you how to add a featured products slider to your Shopify store. No coding needed, beginner friendly, and updated for 2025. First of all, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the sidebar, click Online Store, then Themes. Now click the Customize button on your current theme. This will open up Shopify's live editor where we can add, remove, or rearrange sections visually. To create a slider, Shopify uses something called a feature collection section like that. Then click Add Section. Then select Feature Collection. Choose the collection you want to showcase, like new arrivals. Best sellers or sell. Shopify automatically pull it in products from the collection and display them in a slider if your theme supports it. Not all Shopify themes have slider functionality built in, but most modern ones like Dawn, Craft are right. If you show arrows or swipe gestures when previewing the collection, congrats. That means your theme has slider support. If your theme only stacks products, you can either switch to a free theme like Dawn, a Dawn that supports sliders, or use an app like Swiper product slider or slider evolution from the Shopify App Store. Go back to home screen, then click Add App, then add sales and search for slider evolution. Or Swiper product. Let's make it match your store's style. Adjust how many products show per row, show or hide product titles and prices. Choose if it autoplays or scrolls manually. Add spacing, a borders to separate from other sections. Always check both desktop and mobile preview to make sure the slider is responsive and clean. Once you are happy, click Save at the top right. Bonus tip: you can create multiple slider for different collections. For example, one for new in, one for top rated, and one for under $50. Just repeat the same steps and That's how add a featured product slider to your Shopify store in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.